We often take our sense of taste for granted. But have you ever wondered about the intricate machinery that allows us to savor the sweetness of honey or the tang of lime? Today, we embark on a microscopic journey to explore the fascinating landscape of the human tongue. This alien-looking terrain is actually a close-up view of your tongue. Those bumpy structures you see are called papillae. They're not just random bumps. They house the taste buds, the tiny sensors that detect the flavors in our food. Let's take a closer look at one of these papillae. Notice its unique shape and the tiny hairs protruding from its surface. These microscopic hairs, called microvilli, are crucial in capturing the chemicals from our food and transmitting signals to our brains. Did you know there are different types of papillae, each with its own specialty? Some are more sensitive to sweet flavors, while others detect sour, salty, bitter, or even the savory taste is known as umami. It's a complex symphony of sensations that create our overall perception of taste. But the tongue isn't just about taste. It also plays a vital role in chewing, swallowing, and even speaking. The muscles within the tongue allow for a remarkable range of motion, enabling us to manipulate food and form words. Notice the moist surface of the tongue. This moisture is essential for dissolving the chemicals in our food, allowing them to interact with the taste buds. It's also crucial for maintaining oral health and preventing infections. As we explore this microscopic world, we gain a new appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the human body. Even the seemingly mundane act of tasting a meal becomes a marvel of biological engineering. So the next time you savor a delicious bite, remember the intricate dance of papillae, microvilli, and neural signals that make it all possible.